On which systems file systems is Os.Open atomic? This article states that is atomic on most file systems. Is that true on Unix and Windows? On which file systems? The docs state that mentioned flags are available on Unix and Windows, so it looks like a tempting cross-platform method for file locking. The flags O_create and O_expl ensure that the calling process creates the file.
For an *X compliant, certified POSIX/IEEE 1003.1 as per the Open Group systems, the behavior is guaranteed as the Open Group specs for Open to mandate this. Quote, O_expl if O_create and O_expl are set, Open shall fail if the file exists. The check for the existence of the file and the creation of the file if it does not exist shall be atomic with respect to other threads executing Open, naming the same file name in the same directory with O_expl and O_create set. If O_expl and O_create are set, and path names a symbolic link, Open shall fail and set erno to exist, regardless of the contents of the symbolic link. If O_expl is set and O_create is not set, the result is undefined. The common on *X and on *X-like systems, Linux, Mac OS X, *BSD, Solaris, IX, HP/UX, surely behave like that. Since the Windows API doesn't have Open, as such, the library function there is necessarily re-implemented in terms of the native API, but it's possible to maintain the semantics. I don't know which widely used systems wouldn't comply. QNX, while not POSIX certified, has the same statement in its docs for Open. The *BSD man pages do not explicitly mention the atomicity, but free/net/OpenBSD implement it. Even exotics like Symbianos, which like Windows doesn't have a *X open system call, can do the atomic open/create. For more interesting results, try to find an operating system/C runtime library which has Open, but doesn't implement the above semantics for it, and on which Python would run with threads. Got you there, MS-DOS. Edit. My post particularly focuses on which operating systems have this characteristic for Open, for which the answer is pretty much all of them. WRT. To file systems though, the picture is different because network file systems, whether NFS, SMB/CIFS or others, do not always maintain O_expl as this could result in denial of service. If a client doesn't open O_expl, and then simply stops talking with the file server/ is shut down, everyone else would be locked out.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.